Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 19th and 20th of June. Cancer, your channel cards are the Page of Wands and Illuminati. So I'm getting Cancer, you are the youngest to do something. I'm also getting someone saying that you're too young, Maybe you look young. I know sometimes people have weird psychologies. When somebody look young, they think that weight will make them look older. Okay, so maybe somebody's waiting for you to gain weight. Okay, but I'm getting, regardless of your weight or your age, I'm getting you have a heavy weight on the industry. I was also getting last night 1001 activation code. Now I tried to research it. It gave me two definitions. The first one was the term 1001 activation code is not a standard or universally recognized activation code. It is likely referred to a specific activation code or error code related to a software or application, possibly within the Microsoft ecosystem. Okay? It says that the code 1001 is often associated with activation issues in Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365 desktop applications. So I'm getting something about Microsoft, okay, Bill Gates. Here I was thinking that they were building a fence. No, I'm sorry. Here I was thinking that they were building a gate. They weren't even building a fence, right? Beginning something about Bill Gates, okay? The original virus doctor. Now, the other definition I got was the term 1001 alien code most likely refers to a specific sequence of numbers or code used in a video game, specifically in the Roblox game. It's called Survival and Kill the Killer in Area 51. So I'm getting something about Roblox. Maybe that's where the young person coming from, the Page of Wands. Also getting something about Area 51, okay? Which is, hold on. Area 51 was the so-called crash site, right? It's a name of the highly classified United States Air Force, right? In Nevada, all right? Yeah, it talks about it's highly secretive, top secret U.S. Air Force facility and the conspiracy theory that surrounds it. It also talks about the secretly reports of UFO sightings and extraterrestrial phenomenons. Okay, so yeah, that's your channel message, Cancer. So let's go ahead and go into your reading. Cancer, the High Priestess. So I'm getting you know, or you know what they know not. Let's go. First card out, Cancer. We have the Six of Cups. That's an apology. All right. We have the Four of Wands. We have the Eight of Wands. And we have the Ten of Cups. So I'm getting something about your family. I'm not sure. I'm getting somebody's coming to visit. I'm getting something about a Sagittarius. Something about a Pisces. All right. I'm getting something about your living situations about to change. Now again, your channel message was the Page of Wands, Illuminati. I'm getting your son is in some type of, maybe a son of a video game. I'm not sure which video game him have, but I'm getting your son has uncovered some type of, me hearing something has been unlocked. Okay? But I'm getting your son is very, very young. All right? I'm getting your son is involved in some type of government research project, or perhaps he did not know that this is what he stumbled on. All right, I'm also getting something about your family, your parents, something about like your family is known. I'm getting something about reports made from one of your family members when he came onto a UFO or some type of extraterrestrial encounter. We have the Six of Swords. We have the Nine of Swords upside down. So we have 66 here, right? We have the Two of Wands and we have the Page of Cups. We're getting something about the Emperor. Something about you leaving us. We're getting something about your family. Your mom and dad went on vacation and left you at home alone. And I'm not sure if your son was home alone playing video games. We're getting something about static. I'm getting Yeah, 66. Me getting something about you left your son at home alone. Maybe your son never wanted a babysitter, but me getting when you left and came back, your son is telling you something happened. But me getting you probably write it off as your son's imagination. Alright, let's go again. We have 66 here. 66 is a sacrifice. Me getting your son is about to make you rich. No, me kind of getting something like Home Alone, where the whole family was supposed to go on vacation, but you left the son. Alright, I'm not sure the family, maybe the family blamed the son not being present on the son's actions. Like they're saying, oh, he didn't wake up early. Yeah, but it's a child. It's your responsibility to make sure that the son board the flight. I'm getting something about the son never board the flight, something like that. I'm also getting something about the plane ticket. Something about a plane ticket. We have the Ace of Cups. We have the Devil card. We have the Justice card. And we also have the Four of Pentacles. I'm literally getting some government people coming to your door and them saying, we need to talk to your son. I'm getting something about him in game console. I'm getting a... Now, this could be something about the deep web, the dark web. Because we have the 9 of Wands with the 4 of Wands. I'm getting a son home alone and him click something. Or maybe him got a message. Because I know they, with PSs, they'll send messages back and forth. I'm getting something about somebody send your son a message on your console and him clicked it and it brought him to... I'm getting something about the dark web. Maybe that's what it is. But I'm getting something about the government tracking. I'm getting your son is about to uncover some weird ass shit. But I'm getting your son tell you and you don't believe him. I'm getting your son is about to make a cash out. I'm getting a lot of money. A lot of money. I'm also getting something about you're preparing for somebody to come home. Like, I'm getting somebody's being released from prison. Somebody's being let out. I'm getting, maybe somebody's moving in. I'm getting, yeah, hurry up, yeah, declutter, you're organizing everything because somebody's about to come home. I'm getting it's a Capricorn. I'm seeing your son making your whole family a millionaire or more. I'm getting the mom and dad. I'm getting on the knees thanking your son. I'm getting your son young, the Page of Wands. But I'm getting your son always have this weird imagination. He always say weird things. I'm not sure if your son is the Page of Wands is a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Your son might be a water sign. Me getting a son is about to uncover something. Like, I don't know what him did. Is it magic? It could be magic. With the Justice card and the Devil card. I don't know. Me getting a son has some... I don't know if it's extraordinary abilities, but me getting a son is about to uncover something. We have the Illuminati here with the Devil card. Me getting a... This could be something about Hydromancy. Like something about him always in water. I'm not sure if this is something about being over water. Or your son spend long periods of time in the shower. And him always talk to himself in the shower. Me getting your son is about to make you rich. Now going back to the activation code 1001. Me getting something about Microsoft. Is your son a programmer? Me getting him rewriting something. I don't know what your son into. All I know is it's a Page of Wands. Alright, this is usually somebody under the age of 25. We have mental health. Maybe your son is a loner. Him don't really have friends. Him always stay inside in him room, just playing games. You're getting your son is a genius. Something about what your son uncovered. No, I don't know if your son is saying that, listen, aliens visited me last night. I saw aliens. And me getting your son, maybe your son is at school saying this to him. Your son told you never believed. Then he went to his school telling him friends. And me getting, because people will deny your reality, but me getting, you see, if the reality is true, then we'll actually pass the information over to the higher ups. Me getting some people that come at your door and I say, I need to talk to you based on what your son is saying at school or something like that. Or maybe what your son found. We have Scorpio. Yeah, your son might be a water sign. We have Capricorn. Me getting a Capricorn is about to be released. Or me getting something about your son. Me getting something like magic and simulation. We have Leo. We have the number 6. So we have the 6 of Cups. We have the 6 of Wands. I know we have another 6 here. Somebody might be born on the 6. We have Venus. And we also have Virgo. Going to leave it here, Cancer. Until next time. Bye.